Here you have the latest project at PBCM, September 2012. It's a Mark II Escort RS2000. The car's been stripped down to uncover its many rust horrors. You can see headlight panels corroded. We've removed outer sill section and offside floor pan. Inside the car we've got front section of the floor pan and bulkhead gone. If you look on the inside you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, the A pillar inner panel is rusty. The chassis leg appears to be okay. We found various previous repairs on the seal. The rear outer arch is rusted, and as is the rear inner arch. Previous accident damage to the car, it's been repaired. We found the new quarter panel has been replaced. We have the near side. This outer arch looks good, but the inner arch has been fiberglass repaired badly before. There we have our new seal. It's already painted on the inside, ready for fitment. Same thing again, floor pan corroded. Same thing again, near side headlamp panels corroded. There's the floor pans. Look out for this when it's completed and painted, ready for the customer.